Welcome. In front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we will first need to turn off our device, and we can do so by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time. This brings up our boot options, and from here just select power off. Give it a moment, the device should turn off. Now, there is a vibration that indicates that it did turn off. Once you feel that, you can then hold power button, and I believe it's volume up. I'm going to test it out first, so hold tight while I make sure that it's the combination. Probably would have helped to do it before. I'm also going to let go of the power button once the TCL logo is visible. So I'm now only holding the volume up. And that is the recovery mode. So power button and volume up. Now when you're in this mode, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down. And power button will be to confirm whatever is selected with the blue line. Now in here, let's go over these options. So we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to Bootloader and enter Fastboot mode. We have also apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, vlags, run tests, and power off. Now I'm going to stick with the first option and confirm it with the power button like I mentioned, and this will now just bring me back to Android, as there's not much more to show in the recovery mode. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.